In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your project workspace using ClickUp effectively. We're going to take it step by step so you can easily follow along and make the most out of your time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to ClickUp. This is your starting point, where the magic happens. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or click on your bookmark for ClickUp. Once the ClickUp page is fully loaded, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. It's important to take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to ClickUp. This can help you find your way around in later steps. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the option labeled Spaces. Think of Spaces as the main folder or umbrella under which your projects are organized. Click on this Spaces option. Now a list of your available spaces will appear. These spaces are essentially categories or various departments of projects you may be working on. Go ahead and select the specific project you are working with or reviewing today. This will smoothly transition you to the core of your project management, allowing you to dive deeper into the tasks and updates related to this particular project. Make sure you accurately choose the correct project to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you're inside your desired project, it's time to focus on filtering your tasks. Locate the Filter option, which is usually situated in the toolbar. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several filtering options. For the context of today's exploration, set this filter to Status. This is an incredibly powerful tool, enabling you to streamline the tasks you see based on their current progress. Our goal right now is to observe the tasks that are marked as complete. By doing this, you can get a comprehensive overview of all the tasks that have been finished, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. This step also helps in identifying any patterns of issues that might have arisen in past tasks, allowing you to reflect on the workflow effectively. Once you've filtered your tasks by complete status, take a moment to review the completed list. There you have it. You're effectively navigating through your project's space in ClickUp with a focus on completed tasks. This method provides a clear picture of what has been achieved and helps you identify areas that might need revisiting or improvement in future projects. That's all for today's guide on moving around in ClickUp swiftly. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just one, organizing your tasks can make all the difference in staying productive and on top of your workload. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps in enhancing your project management experience.